filed my papers. So they filed my papers. I did not.
Can you just let for the question? If I ask you today, because there's a statutory declaration which says you belong to Nazariya.
I would not. I know what my law is saying. There's a reason why I'm interrupting with great respect.
No,
this is a matter before the courts. I would request my lord not to make any comment.
I'm not making a. Please, it's not a comment, it's a question.
My lord.
The statutory declaration which shows you as Nazarati, there's a certificate which you referred to which shows you as PTI, and now you're saying you are Sunni Ittihad.
You may not respond to.
Now, can you just tell me which political party you belong to?
I do not want to respond to this question. I remain PTI.
You are not before us.
Yes,
you're not before us.
You are. You keep referring to yourself.
They filed my papers. I don't know why they filed my papers.
You are partyless. I mean, it's not a state secret. It's a factual plea.
But me, the person Salman Akram Raja, is not relevant. I will, with great respect, not answer that question. Advise that this chart is based on suppression of documents. Page 144.
Whatever they filed.
It's very important. They've filed a chart and they've said kitne logon ne sirf ticket jama
I think
karaya.
it's very important in this particular case
submission
because the questions have been raised regarding the fairness of the elections and the role of the election commission itself.
I'm grateful,
if it can suppress some material information from us.
From the Supreme Court, kindly see. So my ticket was duly filed with my nomination papers. Page 144, sir. 144 of CMA 5917. मुझे इन्होंने कहा कि हम ये रिसीव ही नहीं करते आपसे टिकट because your party has not been declared entitled to a symbol. So they tried to return this to me. I, being the lawyer, I insisted. I said, no, you have to take it and give me a receipt that I've given you this ticket. That is why the RO signed it. The signatures that the court will see at page 144, dated 13/1/2024, are identical to the signatures at page 185, where I withdraw the Nazariati ticket. So what happened was, this ticket was filed. Then they said, sorry, we will not treat you as PTI candidates because the Supreme Court judgment is there. So withdraw your tickets. They actually returned the tickets. I refused to take it back. I said, no, I'm not going to take my ticket back. You in fact give me a receipt that I filed my ticket. And that is why this receipt was given to me. And yet when they filed these documents with their CMA, they suppressed this ticket to say, I only
Salman Raja, you used the word 3 or 4 times. Can we make the point now?
The point is that the record filed by them is not reliable. Now let me come.
Fine. Then is there anything preventing? The matter is being contested in open court. The document is on record. If any party disagrees, disbelieves with a document, they can file their document.
No, I've shown from this instance that the documents they've filed are not
in your possession. I'm sure everybody makes photocopies. Parties could have brought those on record.
But they're in their possession also. All I'm showing is that documents in their possession
get on with the case.
Not being filed. Yes, my lord. Now let me come to my 7 points. I was going to do this at the very end, but I've done it.
Mr. Raja, किसी ज़माने में गवर्नमेंट और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडीज बोनाफाइड लिटिगेंट समझे जाते थे।
जी।
अब तो ECB भी मुकदमा जीतने आई है like an ordinary litigant.
They are acting as if there are adversaries. They should be independent, impartial arbiters of the election process.
They have come before us to behaving like an ordinary litigant.
Absolutely.
They want to win the case.
Their interest should be,
means.
I bow, their interest should be to give effect to the will of the people. I don't see that happening. The suppression of documents in the case they have chosen to highlight. I have not chosen to file my documents. They filed my documents forcing me to file my ticket.
सुन ली बार-बार आप कोई बात कर रहे हो।
Now let me